Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're spotlighting what might just be the best stiletto heels for women, pointed toe pumps that deliver both fashion and functionality. The Elisabet Tang high heels, women's pointed toe slip-on stilettos in the classic all-black finish, size 8. First off, these heels are a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. If you've been searching for a pair of stilettos that you can actually walk in, look no further. With a sleek 4-inch heel designed in a unique red wine glass shape, these pumps bring a stable and surprisingly comfortable experience, even for those new to heels. The confidence that comes from wearing something so bold, yet so stable, is unmatched. Made with a leather sole and outer material crafted from high-quality polyurethane, these shoes give off a polished, luxury look without the luxury price tag. The pull-on closure design keeps things simple and clean. Slip them on and you're ready to go. What makes these stand out isn't just their striking shape or minimal aesthetic, it's their versatility. A romantic dinner date or even just a classy touch to your everyday wardrobe? These shoes handle it all with effortless grace. Pairing these with your wardrobe is incredibly easy. Match them with jeans and you instantly have a smart, put-together outfit that exudes confidence and edge. Or wear them with a dress and the look transforms to something much softer, more romantic. Their clean lines and pointed toe shape ensure that your silhouette remains elegant from every angle. These are also travel-friendly and great for both indoor and outdoor settings. Whether you're walking down a carpeted banquet hall or across a cobblestone path, the shoes offer impressive balance and traction thanks to their thoughtful design. According to the brand, you could even jump in them, though we'll leave that to you. Elisabet Tang as a brand has made a name by focusing on stylish yet wearable designs for women around the world. Their commitment to staying aligned with fashion trends, without compromising on comfort, is clear in this model. And if you're someone who doesn't want to sacrifice elegance for practicality, these are made for you. The brand recommends checking their specific size chart before ordering, since sizing can vary slightly between brands. A few minutes spent measuring your foot correctly can make all the difference in getting the perfect fit, and ensuring that the comfort lives up to its promise. So there you have it. The best stiletto heels for women who want to stand tall, walk comfortably, and look effortlessly chic. The Elisabet Tang pointed toe pumps strike the right balance of sophistication, stability, and style. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives on fashion-forward finds. This has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.